I think sekuyisikhathi sikhulume ngaye uTalente Mbatha. Ama-fans amaningi ayakhala ngaye athi akadlali kahle. UTalente Mbatha wayedlala kamnandi esawumdlalo oloniwe ko-Orlando Pirates. But kule season isaqalile akadlali kahle and I think I know why uTalente Mbatha engadlali kahle ko-Orlando Pirates at the moment. In the last 3 games we-Orlando Pirates, uTalente Mbatha umbonile indlela adlala ngakhona umfana uthi cha. Le ndlela adlala ngakhona ajwayele ukudlala kanje phela uTalente Mbatha. Siyamazi sonke. Wenze izibukwayo ngisho kuBafana, yabo. But nje kulama recent games we-Orlando Pirates umfana akashow up kwi-game, uluza amabhola, uhold amabhola too much, ama-opponents alithatha ibhola kuye. Akenzi umsebenzi we-midfielder yabo. And lokho raise ama-concerns because he's a top player, this guy. He is a top player for Orlando Pirates. He is one of the key players esinabo kulesa scheme lesayana. Yena benoMakehleni Makaula. I think the reason why edlala kanje it's because lo mjide lo ade ayowadlala ama-games. Uyena uMakehleni Makaula, uHotho, noSipho Chayine. I think noSesane if ngingambala uSesane. Lo badlali la kwe-Orlando Pirates badlala each and every game ekhona kwe-Orlando Pirates. So ukufakwa kwabo njalo nabo bangabantu nabo bafethu sibe neqiniso nje sibe nevara nabo bayabantu bayakhathala. But kulabadlali ade ngibabala yabo uSipho Chayine uSesane oHotho lawo badlali laba abadlali kakhulu yabo most abadlali abadlala kakhulu kwi-match abadlala eswini yabo abadlala eswini banomsebenzi omningi abadlala eswini bamele bamake kumele baphase mfethu kumele benze ama-chances for i-team kumele bakhahlele yabo labajida badlala laba eswini yabo uMakehleni Makaula benoMbatha and ukubonile lokho kule game lade sidlala ne-CR Belouizdad edlala i-Algeria. Umunye bengasho ukuthi mhlawumbe cha umfana beshaya uvalo because bezidlala imatch enkulu idlala kwi-Champions League and bezidlala away yabo. Bungakusho lokho yabo understand ukuthi hayi kuya-understandeka. But the last game we played, besidlala nali team, iStellenbosch FC, you cannot say beshaya uvalo. Seke wadlala against iStellenbosch FC, Mbatha, not kanye, not kabili, yabo. So you cannot say ukuthi beshaya uvalo kule game iStellenbosch because he played the same. Udlale ngale ndlela le adlala ngakhona sidlala neCR Belouizdad and namhlanje he was not that bad but you saw yabo ukuthi cha umfana kunenkinga umfana unenkinga yabo. So mina ngokwami I think it's crucial and it's time for now coach introduce abadlali abasha yabo athi ukushintsha kancane scheme because ukudlala with the same lineup yenza abadlali bakhathale because eswini isisu seteam siyinjini and injini yethu mingekho right injini yethu milika ezodala ama-team ezidlala nawo ukuthi akhipitalize and awine and namhlanje dlala ne-Al-Ahly memele ithathe le opportunity lokuthi eswini Orlando Pirates ayikho mnandi mase iyakhipitalize. It's a pity. I wouldn't say it's a pity yabo sibe nelaka ukuthi Al-Ahly ayisebenzisanga lokho namhlanje but indlela adlala ngakhona uMbatha kuyangiwarisha mina because sizomdinga ngempela kule season sizomdinga ngempela. He is a big player and he plays a huge part kwi-Orlando Pirates. And nongabe khona kwaTito namhlanje sikubonile bedingakala uTito kule game ye-Al-Ahly because uTito is a creative player yabo. Orlando Pirates ayinawo ama-creative players like number 10 asinabo number 10 abaningi. Ucoach u-introduce lo mfana lo uMfukeng as number 10 which led uMfukeng angadlali igame emnandi yabo because you cannot play uMfukeng as number 10 usodlala ne-Al-Ahly, like it doesn't make any sense. But yeah, futhi you cannot start uDlamini akusiyena lo mdlalo ongamqala because uDlamini akwazi ukumaka and uyashesha ukukhathala yabo. But again, I'm happy with the boys bawatholile ama-results 1 point but indaba kaMbatha iyangiwarisha kakhulu bafethu yabo iyangiwarisha kakhulu ngokubona kwenu kwenze njani kuMbatha yabona ngangitshela ama-comments ukuthi kahle yini eyenzakala kuMbatha. Mina ngokubona kwami I feel like uMbatha ukhathele and ucoach kumele introduce abadlali abasha. It's not like uMbatha unovalo, cha uvalo nje ngicela ningalisukela uvalo. You cannot have uvalo 3 games in a row like akwazi ukwenzeka lokho, awukwazi uba novalo ama-game amathathu elandelana. Hawu ngisho mina ukuthi umfana ukhathele nje mfethu and kumele introduce abadlali abasha manje ukhona uteam yabo khona uRasebosch so abadlali kumele baqhamuke manje baphamise izandla because bayabona abadlala egamini ukuthi abekho mnandi as umdlali ohlala ebenchini kumele uphamise isandla utshela ucoach ukuthi coach I can do better than uMbatha right now so khona uzongena egamini yabo. Ngangitshela lapha kuma-comments ukuthi uzizwa kanjani ngomdlalo waMbatha in the last 3 games yabo. Sengiyatholakala YouTube nguvane sports, ngiyatholakala TikTok nguvane sports naka-Instagram nguvane sports kanti sengenze nepage elisha ka-Facebook uvane sports futhi yabo. Ngiyabonga isupportini bafethu.